Okay guys, on this class we are gonna talk about the rules to prevail on making dropshipping on eBay and become a top seller. Okay, a top seller, and if we go to our seller level forecast and we click on it, eBay, it's kind of nice because they show you the ways to become a top seller. They tell you, okay, if you wanna opt in to be a top seller at some point, yeah, top rated seller, then you will have to, find transactions, never be late on your shipments, don't have any transaction defect rate. This is a lot to talk about, but we will talk about this in another course because I want you to understand that this is a very complicated business. I mean, it's not a very complicated, it's just that you need to know how to properly do it, okay? And there are two things that are very important, and we don't have a space to explain them on this course. That's why I created other two courses on my profile about, in the first case, I will be explaining how to source products, profitable hot selling products that they are really selling in the last days, in the last month. So you can make sure that you are listing items that are interesting for people, okay, for buyers, for clients. People will be checking for those listings, so people will have a more chance to purchase for these products on your shop. I will be explaining every single detail about how to source profitable hot selling products in other course, in the volume number 2 course about dropshipping on eBay. Check for it on my profile on Udemy, okay? That is one thing, but the other last thing that we must make sure to take care of is the customer service. And with this, we include the returns, we include your seller level, and we include the ways to become a top-rated seller, okay? We include the ways to become a top-rated seller, and we include the ways to treat customers on your sales. Whenever you sell, whenever a customer wants a return or cancel an order, or they got a problem with the shipment or wherever they have a problem, whenever they have a problem, you must deal with this, and you must offer a great customer service in order for them to be happy. If clients are happy, they will provide more reviews onto your account, into your shop, and that means more sales, much more sales for you, okay? So we will be explaining this on the other courses. On the course number 2, we will explain about how to calculate your profits when you list your items and how to list profitable items on your shop. And on the course number 3, on the volume number 3, we will explain everything about how to process orders, and we will explain everything about the customer service, how to treat the customers properly well to become a top-rated seller, and with that, having a lot of sales and making a lot of money. Okay, guys? So just navigate to my profile in Udemy to be able to see all that courses, and I hope to see you guys on there, so we can keep learning about this way to make dropshipping on eBay. See you guys around.